Well, Siôn, you've been voted the Welsh Premier League Clubman of the Year. A great honour. Do you agree?
Oh, it's a massive honour to even just to be here, you know, let alone win it. It's just overwhelmed, to be honest. Jeff to bits.
And what do you think everybody back in Bangor are going to be saying now, seeing one of their star players win such an award?
I hope they're proud, and obviously it's, you know, I've been with the club for a long time, and you know, it's sort of it's down to them really that I've won this award, and that I've been kept on, and the managers re-signed me, and you know, sorted me out every season, and obviously very happy to represent the club and win this award.
And finally, what does it mean to play for your local club in the Welsh Premier League, the highest level in the country?
Obviously, it's brilliant, you know, and I've been there 10 years. This is my 10th season, you know, and you know, hopefully there'll be a few more seasons to come.
Well, this is a brilliant way to celebrate your 10th season. So congratulations.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Cheers. Thanks.